Hello, my name is Benjamin Johnston, and I am delighted to share with you one of my favorite aspects of this home, which is this great living room. For the modern homeowner, they really love the open concept floor plan. It really is perfect for entertaining. It allows a lot of people to circulate throughout the space. The challenge with that is that a lot of spaces feel like they don't have their own identity, and they don't have that sense of warmth and coziness that so many people also appreciate. So for this home, what we've done is a very open concept floor plan, but we've introduced these cased openings, which also give us the ability to change material palette in all of the spaces. So each space has its own identity. This formal living room has this gorgeous palette that was really inspired by the Mediterranean and the south of France. We took a lot of inspiration with the architecture kind of from the French provincial style, but with the color palette we also wanted to pull from all of the Mediterranean area. We have a mix of the wonderful limestone colored walls, we have the wonderful Mediterranean blue, and a rich tomato red that you're also going to see mixed into many of the textiles in the space. You'll also notice the use of curvilinear furniture. You'll notice the gorgeous curved sofa that you see sitting in the window, the beautiful marble table, the chairs, the sofa in the back, even this wonderful specimen chair that we have in front of the fireplace. All elements to kind of soften the very rectilinear space that we have here in the room. The lighting in this space is all from Visual Comfort, and they're really one of my favorite brands. You'll notice here in the window we have these great lamps from Kelly Wearstler, and I just love this kind of architectural, almost sculptural moment here in the space. To highlight and provide a little extra reading light behind the sofa, we have these wonderful floor lamps from Ralph Lauren. Of course, above the space is this gorgeous chandelier from Visual Comfort. I just love the fact that it has all of this kind of dynamic sculptural quality as well. We've also done some beautiful sconces in alabaster and brass combination finish, and I just love the wonderful romantic light that they provide in the evening hours. Two special furnishings that we've incorporated into this room are these two tables from Chaddock Furniture. I love the wonderful spot table that is used to the side of a chair. It's this wonderful sculptural design from Mary McDonald, and you can do it in any of their beautiful finishes or even a custom paint finish like we have with this particular table. What I'm also sitting on is this gorgeous cocktail table. It's a large-scale cocktail table from Chaddock, and I love the fact that I was able to two-tone the finishes. We have the legs that are kind of done in this wonderful textured painted finish that almost has a stone-like quality, and we've mixed it with this beautiful white rift oak finish at the center of the table. I love two-toning pieces like this because it allows us to really add so much depth and dimension to the room. Thank you for joining me in this living room. I hope it inspires you to create a classic, curated, and cool space of your very own.